Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tales from the Fog. I'm your host Casey, and we are in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, which is considered, well, so they say, I haven't officially heard, but online they say it's called the Switzerland of America. And it's this cute little old world town. Check this house out. All decked out with the skeletons. Really cool. So they have a super Halloween event here, fall foliage tours. They have a train you can take. It's pretty amazing. We're here just for a few minutes though to check it out because we're on a bit of a Halloween road trip. And I just heard about this place. It sounded really cool. So let's go have a look. So for those of you that have been following along on the Instagram and Facebook page, you know that me and Veronica moved out here to Pennsylvania, and we're out working with Hershey Park and Hershey Entertainment on some of their events. That means, of course, that I don't have a whole lot of time to do cool Halloween stuff, which is why there hasn't been a whole lot of, posts and things, but we're going to change that because we're on a trip to go somewhere that I've always wanted to go, but I'm going to save that as a secret when we get there. This place is absolutely awesome, by the way, and I believe we're coming up on one of the reasons why I wanted to come here. Hopefully we can go check it out. I don't know if it's open because it is Tuesday, but we're going to go and try to check it out. Alright, so unfortunately, one of the reasons why I came down here, not the only reason, but one of the main reasons is this is called the Muggle's Mug right behind me, which is a Harry Potter themed coffee shop. And let me turn the side. You can see the Deathly Hallows there, and you can see how cool themed it is. And unfortunately, they're closed today. So, keep on trekking on a road trip. I just took a little tour around and saw what I needed to see, and we're gonna head on over to the town of New Hope. So let's go. So we made our way over to the town of New Hope. We're at an area called Peddlers Village. And every year they do a Scarecrow Festival, which happens in September. But each of the displays are left up all through the fall season, so we can go around and check out some really cool scarecrows and just walk around and check out this cool place. And it's kind of a bummer that the Harry Potter coffee shop, the Muggle's Mug, was closed. I kind of knew it may happen because it's a Tuesday, but man, let me tell you, that town of Jim Thorpe was packed. The train station parking lot was 100% full. Pretty much every parking spot in town was blocked with people, and I kind of got lucky. Someone pulled out right in front of me and I got a spot right away, but there were people circling for 30-40 minutes just trying to find parking. So maybe they should have been open on a Tuesday, I don't know. But let's go check out these scarecrows. We got our first couple coming up right here, and they just have these cool little displays. This is a great little town. New Hope also has a train, a sightseeing train, which you can take. And it's just this is called Peddlers Village inside of New Hope. And it's just a cool little historic shopping district. So let's just go ahead and check out what we got going on. Alright, we got a Grinch scarecrow coming up over here already Grinching out on Christmas. Oh, they won second place actually in the festival. Pretty cool. We kind of have a fashion mannequin scarecrow over here. And as you can see, like every shop owner puts one out and they can kind of do whatever they want. But you can see this is absolutely gorgeous little shopping area. Looks like something out of Harry Potter, so since we didn't get the Harry Potter coffee, maybe we'll just walk around this little village. Reminds me a lot of Hogsmeade. Whoa. It's very weird, it just auto-zoomed for no reason. It's cool little shop windows. Here we go. Got a Dia de los Muertos scarecrow. I don't know why my phone is doing this weird auto zoom thing. It's very weird. Got another fashion mannequin. And odd Jack Skellington scarecrow. We got some more coming up here on the side. Oh, we got Mother Nature as a scarecrow. And Captain America. Oh, here's a good one for all our Halloween friends here. Got a zombie. Whoa, God, phone. What are you doing? Hold on. Okay, we're back. I think I got it fixed. There was something called auto framing on, which I've never heard of. Don't know how it got on. Got Uncle Fester. Some people may know what this is. Pretty sure that's from a video game. Such a cool little town. Here's an actual scarecrow. Cool. We have an honorable mention. I think this is supposed to be Dorothy, actually, from The Wizard of Oz, but she has a pink dress. Restrooms. So this is it. This is Peddlers Market. I mean, you can't, look at this setting. Absolutely beautiful. So that's it. This is Peddlers Market. And it's a beautiful place. If you come in, definitely need to go check it out if you're going to be anywhere near New Hope. Lots of restaurants, lots of cool little shops, and especially here in the fall when they have all the fall decorations, but also Christmas. They actually do a full Christmas festival here with bands and lights, and in fact I think I saw them setting up some Christmas lights already. So it's a pretty cool place, but we got one more stop, and I know I was keeping it a secret. We're about an hour away from it. And we're going to Eastern State Penitentiary tonight, and I got VIP tickets. We are going to get access tonight to Al Capone's jail cell, and we are going to have some fun. So let's get going and see some scary stuff.
Yo, $15 on your phone for parking? We did, yeah. I saw $15.
the pressure on. And that's the pressure.
All right, everybody, we are here at Eastern State Penitentiary. Just got out of the big top maze. They don't let you film inside the mazes, but the queue lines kind of go in a little bit, so I was able to get a couple photos from the queue line. The next one we got coming up is Machine Shop, but there's like 5 attractions here. Plus we got access to Al Capone's jail cell. So I'm gonna try to go find that right now, and then we'll come back to see if we can do the other times. All right, so let's go see what else this place has to offer. But the big top maze was great. It was fun. Not terribly long, but a lot of really good props in there, good actors. Can't wait to see what else this place got. How about the most haunted cell block? Boom, boom, boom. Wow, that's creepy as hell. Alright. Oh, check that out. Got something down there?
You're right, guys, my bad. That was on.
Oh shit, something came up. That was awesome. Alright, here we are in Al Capone's cell block, drinking some beer. Oh, how are you doing today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
So what'd they get you for?
What'd they get me for?
Yeah.
Oh, nothing. I was never in here, so to speak, as you would expect. I got hit by a bus.
Ah.
I was crossing the street. You know how it is on Fairmount?
Yeah, you don't want to cross there.
Believe it or not, it was even crazier back in 1926.
All right, here we go. So there's a lot of rocks. You can't really see in them. And it won't let me put my flash on. Oh, here we go. We got one that's lit up. This would have been your cell. Man, that's crazy. This is George Norman. Man, that's cool. Yeah, so pretty fun time tonight. Just hanging out, going through haunts, drinking in Al Capone Speakeasy, and let's go see what else there is. Alright, so I just got out of the crypt. What an amazing attraction. It reminded me of Dominion of the Dead from Knott's Scary Farm. So well done, so many great vampires and props, and it even had kind of like the graveyard scene and everything just like Dominion did back at Knott's. Amazing. This place is so much fun. I can't recommend it enough, and we're gonna go check out some more right away. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I just got out of Delirium. Awesome 3D maze. Really cool. And you may notice I got a glow necklace now because as a free upgrade, if you choose to do it, you can put on one of these glow necklaces and the actors are allowed to touch you, separate you. There's actually extra areas in the maze that you're allowed to go into. And definitely get the glow necklace. It adds a whole lot to the maze, alright? Let's keep going. So, I guess we should pick the scary one. Oh, we're getting on a bus.
Go! Go! Go!
Well, that was a scary way. And that, everybody, is going to end our day at Eastern State Penitentiary. What can I say? It's an iconic haunt. Been around for a long time. And it definitely doesn't disappoint. The mazes are amazing. The location, I mean, it can't be beat. I mean, look at that building behind me. And it's just a lot of fun. If you get a chance, definitely come out and check out Eastern State Penitentiary.